With its innovative TTS technology, the VuppetMaster offers a simple transformation from written to spoken text. These TTS, text-to-speech, modules can be easily added to animations. To create animations, select the folder Animations beneath Project Resources. By clicking the plus button and selecting Animation, a new animation appears. If you click on Animations, you will find the points TTS, Motions 1, Motions 2, Emotion, Pose and Audio in the timeline. With a double click on the timeline next to TTS, a new text field comes up, which can be moved by selecting it. On the right side you can see the menu to define the selected TTS field more precisely. Beneath text you can insert text fields already created using the translation ID or create new ones in the field below. The translation ID can be entered automatically or manually by pressing the Apply button. Resources in the top left-hand corner provide various motions and emotions. These are arranged according to different categories. Click on them to let the avatar perform the selected motions and emotions. By clicking, holding and dragging them into the timeline, they are added to the animation and thus to the avatar. These motions and emotions can be moved anywhere on the timeline and thus can be assigned to the desired text passage. To complete the project, the animations must be added to a sequence. To do this, a sequence must first be created using the plus button. In sequences you define the camera settings, audio and animations of the avatar on the timeline and add images, videos, buttons and written text to the project. Then the desired animation can be dragged into the corresponding sequence by simply selecting it.
Hello.
Do you have further questions about the extensive functions of the VuppetMaster? Check out our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.